Sira ang lahat. And this time, damay pa si...
Babae.
If only I could tell her the truth.
Bakit hindi?
It's too late for that now.
Wala namang Sir Late pagdating dito. Basta, magpakatotoo ka lang.
Napakadaling sabihin. The truth is, hindi ko alam kung ano nararamdaman ko.
Seryo na yun. Love yan. Hindi ka na maapektuhan ng ganyan kung wala lang eh. Kaya, sabihin nyo na yung totoo. Basta pag mahal mo ang isang tao, sir, magpapakatotoo ka lang. Yun lang. Tapos, bahala na si Batman.
Maybe I will.
Donnie, I can't give you the higher dosage that you want. What I'm giving you right now is enough.
Is it, Doc? Parang mas lumalakas yung anxiety ko lately. Especially kapag kasama ko si Sec Kim.
That's because you're holding back. Look, the meds are not the answer this time. You need to stop lying to her. The truth will release you from your anxiety.
Ma! Help! Help! Let me out! Mom! Ma? Is that you? Mom! Mom!
Bakit ka umiiyak, anak?
Gusto ko nang umuwi.
Dito ka na uuwi.
I miss my parents. I miss my family.
Dito ka lang. Pagbalik ko, may kasama ka ng iba.
I think they're here.
Si boss?
No, si Sir Cyrus, and he's looking for you.
Ang ganda po, ang gaan pong basahin. Pag kinakabahan ho kayo, tingin lang po kayo stage right. Nandun po ako para i-cheer kayo.
Sandali. I was hoping I could talk to you. May gusto sana akong sabihin sa'yo.
You were talking about a girl. Is she real? Buhay na buhay kasi yung pagkakadescribe mo sa kanya. A girlfriend, perhaps? Siya ba yung babaeng kasama mo nung nakidnap ka noon?